Alright, hello world, welcome back to another video with Steph with me. Alright, 1 second. So, what we're gonna do now is we're closing to finish up. I realize we got some more stuff to do. So, you can do this is the view form. Basically, this is where you can fill out the information the form is gonna submit it. So, now we're gonna fix how we get submit the form. Not a lot gonna be changed, not a lot, but let's just take a look what's gonna happen if we go to submit something. Anything else I need to know? Nope. Click submit, and now I can see this information we got. So you can see got a query dict. So we're gonna as well so just skip the CSRF middleware token. We got this question ID surrounded with a step with me. Got this UUID here. We got this. So this is more like multiple choice. This is like the option. And this is like another question, and this is another one. Alright, so what are we going to do is this. So we're going to do something really interesting. So this is going to be the same. Everything actually going to be the same. Alright, everything going to be the same. But now what we're going to do is, so let's just take, so everything just going to be the same. Let me walk through the process of how we're going to deal with this, especially when we view the form. So now I'm going to take a look how dashboard works. Implement some new views for dashboard, or update rather. So now I can see this is like the response, and then this is basically the same because for question response I can just insert the response, and when I try to view the data I can just fetch it, and then if there's a multiple choice then I can say okay, let me just get the option that's checked. So that's how we can do. And let's see, I don't want this check to be here. I think that's the issue. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started with the dashboard then. So dashboard is located right here. So we have two dashboard. Actually, we have a lot. Let's see. So we got, let's see, view submission, main dashboard. Okay, view form. All right, let's see. Is it view form? I need to see the URLs as well because what we'll do first is this. The first thing we'll do is fix this view because you can see still cannot see multiple choice options here. So it's just /d format this view form. All right. So so it's basically going to be the same thing as how we handled here on view form. So what I think is I will just copy all of this, and then I will just be sure to label at the top. All right. Let's see. Yep, I need to go ahead and import this. Let's see if it. Yep, this is smart enough. I just find out that there's actually a quick fix option in VS Code. Sometimes it can actually like fix especially these dependency for you, so you can see you don't have to type that long. All right. Anyway, there's a view form, and in here then I'm just gonna say questions is equals to questions list. Obviously don't need this anymore. All right. So let's go ahead and go to this form.html to update how our forms work. So in here, I'm gonna say if q.0 equals to 0, and if then I want to do this, otherwise else if q.1 equals to 1, then I might want to go ahead and do this. So we're still gonna have a label, but then it's gonna have multiple choice. So in here we're gonna say Gonna go ahead and loop through for O in Q dot 1. And here maybe we can just say O dot label. Excuse me for my messages. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look. Multiple trace is not editable. Oh, it's Q.2, I believe. Oh, alright, nice. Okay. Q.label is Q1.labels then. Because dot you can just imagine as brackets in Python. So what I really means in here is I really means, because sometimes I know this a little bit confused. It's Q dot bracket 1 bracket label. That's what I intended to do. But no, not bracket label. So this is like dot label because I'm accessing a method in class. But let's take a look, see how it works now. All right, nice. In here, I'm just gonna add a BR to separate it out. All right, looks good. All right, finally, let me go and fix how we can fix a submission. To view submission. So for submission, see, I'm pretty sure I filled the form out. So I'm not sure why there's no exception. E, exception C. I know sometimes just using raw try excepts is not really good practice. This index out of range. Of course it's empty. Let's see. Did I not submit the form successfully or what? Because if I submit the form successfully, I should see some response. Okay, it's a bit offhand. 1 second. Let's see. Okay, so I'm a little bit confused now, actually. Not yet. So today we should be able to finish everything up if everything goes well. Okay, so submit form looks like it didn't actually work. See if I get a response. I don't think so. Let me just try to go ahead and view. Name is that is me, JavaScript, not applicable. Oh god. Okay, success. Success. Okay, now let's go here once more. So /d. Alright. Okay, input field doesn't exist. Alright. Good. So that's what I expect. Whoops, that's what I expect to see. Let's go back to here, and then in here it's redirect to /d. So it's view submission. Alright. Let me just read through these comments that I made. Oh god, okay, 1 second. My phone on mute. Alright, let's see. RS2 response class and the index number. Okay. mission ID, response question, data, label input. All right. Okay, so let's see, because I kind of forgot how this wheel submission actually works. So, see, that's what I may probably need to make a better comment. Okay, I need. Oh, okay. Okay, so this is kind of like all the response object. This is all the response object. F is the form. D is data. So data is the most important, interesting one. And to really start interesting here, this is where I'm actually dealing with data. All right, so let me just separate these out. So we'll just need to take a look at these 5 lines. So this, I got all the questions. This is how the data works. Label, input. All right. Okay. So then what we might want to do is we maybe also have a label, but then the inputs is going to be okay, so it's going to be label. I want to have rest of the options as well. So then in here I can just say label, input, label, users option, and then multiple choice option. Oh my god, I don't know how to put which image. All right, let's see. All right, okay, and in here also append 0. So like 0 is for inputs. There's inputs. 1 is multiple choice, MC. So append 0, and then here do a try, except. Then here, then what I want to get is I equals to input equals multiple choice field dot objects dot get ID equals r dot question dot ID. All right. It's gonna be different for pen as well, so I'm gonna append like this. But in here, then maybe I'm appending like I.1. We're gonna have a label. Response r dot response. Correct, but I need to know more importantly what's the option ID. So here this is a UUID. This is a UUID. And in here what I can do now is I need to go and say field the chose. So in here I can say no, actually it's option, so OP for option. Here I say multiple choice option dot objects dot get. Okay, I need to take a look at this. ID is this, label is this, question ID. Okay, I want to get the ID because that's unique. So then ID just equals to r the response. So here I can just import OP, option label. And in here then I can go ahead and use a simple list comprehension. So O in multiple choice field dot objects dot filter question ID. Let's see if we'll get any error or not. Cannot resolve keyword question ID in the field. Firm ID, ID label, and order. Oh, it's multiple choice option. Okay, let's try again. Let's wait to reload first. Alright, looks good. Alright, looks good. So then here in view response, what I'm gonna do is this. So I'm not gonna do that. And of course, we're gonna have something similar. Oh goodness. Alright, somebody just texting me about like how database works, and they apparently a little bit confusing. I just use admin for like manage like PostgreSQL. I don't know why they kind of think about that confusing. They try to use some extra that's I never heard of. But it's alright, I guess I'll explain later. Oh my god, if they can just be quiet for one moment. Alright. Okay. Let me go ahead and take a look. So here I can just say for Dean data. Why don't I display a label? Wait, what? Oh, okay. D dot label. 1 second. It's D dot 1 dot label. No, it's just D dot 1. That's already the label name for a program language. Alright, so in here's what's gonna be ultimately the difference. Here's also ultimately the difference. So in here I can say for I range of D if D dot 0 equals to 1, then this is it. Right? But otherwise, oh god. Oops, not dollar sign. D dot 0 equals to 2. Wait, this is 0 or 1. So 0 or 1, 0, okay. Equals 0, equals to 1. Then what I want to do is I want to go and construct a loop. So in here I want to say for I in D dot 2 and 4. It's kind of simple now. And in here now I should have a radio type equals to a radio value, and in here we're gonna have I dot label. Wait, no, it's D dot 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right? This is the option. And in here I'll say if I dot ID equals to D dot 2, I'm gonna explain a little bit later, checked. Otherwise, it's not gonna be checked. Okay, let me go explain what's happening here. So first of all, this is just a how I check if it's just input or multiple choice. If it's indeed a multiple choice, then I can loop through all the options I have, right? If it's just if the option ID matches with my option, with the user, whatever user just selected, then I want to display this checked. Let me disable as well. Otherwise, just a regular input button. Of course, gonna see some error, which in this case was pretty surprising that we didn't see any error. All right. Then here, let's see. Our response, this is 2 now, rather. Alright, so now if we take a look, you can see the overall form is working. You can see the name, the radio button option. Okay, I don't know why I still can check that. Disable this as well. Pursue with respect. Okay, not respect, but alright. Looks like everything's working. Let's just create a new form from scratch, multiple choice. What's the other thing I can ask for multiple choice with? And that's not controversial. Let me ask a question. It's definitely not controversial. What is 1 plus 1 equals 2? Alright, then here I can say 1, 2, 3, 4. What about 2 times 4? And then here I can just multiple choice. What is red? What is RGB color 0 represents? Actually don't know this. Actually it's black, maybe white. And finally, that's your name. Let's go create this form. Success. Alright, let's just go to the dashboard again. Oh shit, I forgot to give a name of the form. Ah, damn it. Multiple after return. What? What do I return to? Oh my goodness. You return to. Okay. 1 second. I'm just gonna create a new form because I forgot to type the form name. Mass quiz. 1 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then multiple choice 2 times 3. 2, 4, 4, 6, 8. Your name. Create this form. Success. Let's go back to the dashboard. Mass quiz. View stats. Get line 43. Let's take a look. Let's see. Why do I use this? It's ridiculous. Alright. Let's wait. Refresh. Looks good. 1, 2, 3, 2. Wait, did I type 2 or? Let's think. Okay, I forgot how many options I typed. I've only typed 3 options. Try to help that. And then let me go ahead, just go to /form /view. So I'm gonna take a look at this form. Submit. And then if you go view the form, I sure do hope I only type 2 options because I literally forgot. But if we go ahead and submit, oops, what is a blank form? D dashboard. View submissions. Alright, you can see now I got 1 plus 1 is 1, 2 times 2 is 4. So input works. Alright, looks like everything's working. Alright, so actually one more thing, I just want to double check. Just try for multiple choice. Hello, you, me, them, world. 4 options. Let's take a look at its 4 options. We'll view the form. Shoot, it's not 4 options. Okay, there's some bug. Let's take a look if I can fix it because apparently it didn't return all the options. So that's a little bit weird. That's a little bit weird why I didn't return all the options. I'm not sure it's on the front end or back end. Okay, I'm at as well, so just create another form then. I need to run this out anymore. So, well, create this form. So let's go ahead and print out most. Actually, just in case. Print out here. Just trying to low. Okay. So now it's returned 3. I think 3 is correct because I think it count from 0. That's exactly the confusing part about it. I think it count from 0. Let's print out J. See if it's loops through to 4 times. If it's not, then that may be the issue. But if it is, then there's more issue to come. Just try version 3. Multiple choice. So again, if you don't know what are we trying to fix, is apparently we have we added 4 options in our multiple choice, but when we click and create this form, we only see 3. So that's what we're trying to ignore. Oop, yep, and then we only see 0, 1, 2. So let's go add 1 here. And oh goodness, if you can just be quiet. All right, let's try that one more time. One more time, baby. Just trying 3 or 4 maybe. Hello, he, she, them, world. Create this form, success, let's go to dashboard, just trying 4. Yay, now we see all 4 options. Alright, there we go, implement fix, quick fix. Alright, so let me just talk about what we've been doing in this video as briefly just recap, high level recap. So what we've done is we didn't really do much for view the form, but what we did is how we can render the form and in the dashboard mainly, and how to view the submission. They're mainly basically the same as how we render the form when the user trying to fill out as well. All right, so there will be one more video. There will be one more video where we will go ahead and take a look at deploying this to Heroku, deploying Django application to Heroku. There's really great Medium article that I read, so I will link that down in the description in the next video as well. But yeah, this is pretty much, we're almost done. Just one more video to go with the form maker. After form maker, be sure to let me know what else do you want to see me to build. What I have in mind is maybe some sort of like another real time stuff. But yeah, about that. Thank you for watching this video. And again, oh yeah, one more thing. Tomorrow, November the 13th, depends on when you watch this video, but on November the 13th, 3 p.m., I will host a live stream celebrating my 100th subscriber. Feel free to check it out. I will link the stream link down in the description below as well. I'm not sure what we're gonna do in the stream. Maybe just chit chat, Q&A. God, if this can just be quiet for one moment. Q&A, maybe play some game. Among Us or stuff similar, or maybe we can program something. I don't know. I don't have any idea yet. Feel free to comment below if you have any idea want to suggest. But with that, thank you for watching this video. If you want to, please smash the like button and subscribe as well. And I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. And stay safe.